Naniniwala ka ba sa mundo na may habang buhay? Kung meron man, sa tingin mo, nakita na tayo doon. Ayaw na! Ano ba? So, after 6 months of waiting, since the first time na nag-drop si Maki ng teaser sa Roller Coaster concert, the first one, we are now going to watch what we know as the sequel of Dilaw. So excited. Oh my God. It's really happening. Official music video to na. So what happened? Oh my God. Sabi na. Oh my God, the jeep. Teka, nasaan na? Kita gantong kulay. Here you go. Saan si Justin? I'm lost. Ano ba? Akala ko masasagot na yung mga questions. Panoorin nga natin ulit. Wait. Ano nangyari? Wait. So, I'm guessing itong Pink series na ito, or itong Pink era na ito, is not just about one song. Maybe it's another EP, another album. So maybe the answers are scattered to the songs included to this EP. Because medyo nawawala pa talaga ako. Wait lang. Teka. Yellow and pink. I'm getting goosebumps, pero I need more time to digest everything. Yellow and pink. Ayaw na! Maybe he's a multiverse traveler. Maybe he's a person who has several lives. Maybe a person who reincarnated to several lives. I mean, there's an angel kasi. Maybe this pink element and the love element are inseparable. They are meant to meet. Maybe that pink is in the form of a romantic love, friendship, any kind of love. Maybe the pink element and the yellow element are given several chances to meet in order for them to learn the things that they have to. And maybe one day, in a lifetime, they're gonna be ready to be together. Habang buhay. Well, I guess we have to follow more of Maki. Kaya siguro walang pink sa title sa song na ito. Because maybe this is an EP or an album wherein there are several songs needed to answer all the questions that we have in mind. Nananahimik tayong tao eh. Wala tayong mga questions na ganito. And suddenly, here comes Maki. Very playful. That's what really makes him so special as an artist. He's not just a singer.